Hello, Shine on Purpose family. It's been a while. How have you been? Happy spring. Happy April Fool's Day. Anyone playing any good jokes on anyone? My kids woke up and told me there was a tortoise in the backyard. There wasn't, maybe just a possum, but no tortoise. So we are in spring. It's April 1st, and so many people when it's springtime think about cleaning out their closets, cleaning out their cars, going through their things and making sure that they do a really good deep dive into cleaning everything that they've got in the house. I was thinking about that book where Marie Kondo talks about getting rid of your stuff and only keeping the things that spark joy. And the whole premise of it is you ask yourself when you're touching something that's in your home, does this spark joy? And if it doesn't, you let it go lovingly and you thank it for its service in your life. I thought, wouldn't it be interesting if we thought about that with our thoughts? You know, there's a lot of things that we think that I wonder if you really questioned it, you could ask yourself, does this thought spark joy? And if we applied that same concept that if it doesn't, that you could let go of it and get rid of it, how would your life be different? You know, all of our thoughts spark something. Sometimes they're there to protect us. Sometimes they keep us in place. Sometimes they propel us forward. But think about your hamster wheel. What is that message that you are saying to yourself over and over and over again? Maybe it's some form of, I'm not good enough. Maybe it's, I'm too old to do X. Maybe it's, that's creative and creative people don't make money, or I'm no good at being creative. Maybe it's something like, I can't do that because, and then you fill in the blank. What happens when we start on that negative hamster wheel is one negative thought leads to another negative thought, which leads to another negative thought. So for this week, I want to encourage you to ask yourself when you have a thought, does this spark joy? Is this propelling me forward? Is this getting me the thing that I want? And if it's not, then ask yourself what you can do to be different. You know, what's a more empowering thought that you can replace it with? What's something that you can maybe use to propel yourself forward? So for the case of, I can't do that because, ask yourself, is that 100% true? Most of the time, our thoughts are not 100% true. They're just a feeling and they're not a fact. And so for this week, as we dive into April and we dive into spring, I'm going to encourage you, if it doesn't spark joy, let it go. Ask what how it served you, what it's been protecting you from, thank it, and replace it with something else. All right, everyone, it was great to connect. Hope you're well, and you all spark joy for me. Have a great day.